Hi friends, welcome back to the Random channel. Today's tutorial is about how you can convert or save a Word document into PDF document. So let's get started. Okay, first thing obviously you need to do is open the file you want to be converted into PDF document. Next thing, just hit the F12 key on your keyboard or go to File, choose Save As. Choose this PC and hit Browse to choose a location where to save the PDF. So I will choose desktop, and for the file name I will type test, and from the Save As type I will select PDF document. Click Save, and that will save that Word file into PDF and will also open the PDF for you. So here's the PDF of the Word document we just converted. If you don't have Microsoft Word installed in your PC, you can open a web browser and type online free Word to PDF, and you can find multiple websites which let you convert Word files to PDF. For example, we have this smallpdf.com, we have lovepdf.com, we have freepdfconverter.com, and etc. You get the idea. So that was it. Hope you liked today's video. I hope it helped you somehow.